Previously, Lucy was labeled scholarship girl by the entire school, humiliated by Madison in the cafeteria, and then forced to become Asher's tutor. But when her mother saw the name Asher Calloway, her face instantly turned pale. So, in this episode, who exactly is Asher Calloway that even his name alone is enough to terrify Lucy's mother?
English. Daily love.
Let me finish this equation. It takes exactly 2 steps.
Done. Perfect score. But who actually cares?
If I hand this in tomorrow, they'll only expect more.
So, on which is when we talk, maybe none of it matters. Guess this is where it ends up.
I have a new tutor tomorrow. That should be interesting.
Okay. The comping thing I had. Stay focused. This tutoring job is worth it. Rule number 1. Stay patient. Most difficult students just need discipline.
Morning, Teach. Nice day, huh?
You're late. Please sit down. Relax. I just stopped for coffee.
We still have a lot to finish today.
Look at chapter 4. Let us start.
You have a freckle right there.
Do not change the subject, Asher.
I am just making conversation.
I'm trying to help you pass this class.
And why exactly should I care about passing?
Because it is your responsibility.
Wow. You sound just like my dad. You take this way too seriously.
I take my job seriously, yes. All right, start with question 5.
Question 5? That honestly looks impossible.
Read the formula. Just try it.
I don't even know where to begin. X equals -4. I mean, I have no clue.
Wait, Tempai Duhai, what did you just say? You solved that in your head?
I guessed. A lucky guess.
No one guesses -4. All right, let's try question 10 instead.
Seriously?
We're actually doing this now? Read it. Tell me the first step.
The first step is taking a nap.
You think this is funny?
I think your angry face is funny.
I changed the variable in my head, and you still tracked it. You are not slow.
You are overthinking this, Parker. I just want to get this over with.
You know you're incredibly intelligent, right? And you're wasting all of it.
You do not know anything about me.
I know you are faking it. Do you realize how many people would dream of having your talent?
Maybe they can take it then.
You're unbelievably stubborn, you know that?
He never laughs like that.
Hey, Lucy. Found those reference books for you.
Oh, thank you, Nathan. That helps a lot.
Good luck with the session. See you around. Perfect timing, perfect guy.
Okay, let us look at these notes.
Can we just skip this part?
Blake family dinner? Tonight?
Mind your own business, Parker.
It's just some dinner event. Nothing important.
You sound like you already hate it. Is that why you've been sabotaging yourself?
I said stop talking about it.
What are you trying to prove? That you are actually stupid?
Watch your mouth.
If people expect nothing from me, then failing them hurts a lot less.
You are destroying yourself on purpose, so they cannot destroy you first.
Wow. Look at the little psychologist. Did you learn that in a cheap book?
You are not fooling me anymore. You are just a useless, pretty boy.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You are wasting everything.
Is that so, Parker? Then why don't you try to fix me?
I am just your tutor, Asher. Now finish this page. We are done for today.
Leaving already?
Our session is over. Goodbye. He is impossible. Completely impossible. I need a new job. What is this notification? Oh no, you've got to be kidding me.
Asher sat still for 43 minutes. Someone was watching us?
Who even took that picture? I need to get out of here.
43 minutes because of this. They pushed things too far this time. I warned them to stay away from her. I am going to find out who posted this.
Lucy? Did you see the school blog? Yes, Chloe, I saw it. Please let me pass. Be careful with Asher. People talk. I am just tutoring him. That is all.
I do not want this drama. I just want to work. I will ignore it. Just ignore it.
I need to make a call. Someone's gonna answer for this.
Take the post down right now, or I will buy the whole website.
Leaving so fast, tutor girl? I do not have time for you.
People can't stop talking about you two. It was just tutoring. Take that post down.
Delete it? It already has 1,000 views. Welcome to the spotlight, nobody.
I just wanted to make some money. This is all his fault. I hate him.
Where did she go? Hey! Answer me!
Come on. Jeg kunne tell you will speak the something to Haken det.
I'm not joking. Delete it. You've got 5 seconds.
All right. Fine. I'm deleting it. There. It's gone now.
Don't mention her again.
I cannot deal with this rich kid drama. I should just quit tomorrow.
Hey,
Look at me. What do you want now?
the post is gone. I handled it.
Oh, great. You fixed the mess you made. You think money and pressure can fix everything?
That's how people survive here.
Maybe for you, not for me. I am leaving. Find another tutor.
Wait! Do not quit!
Give me one good reason, Asher. Because
Heartbreak tape happened. You are the first person who actually sees me.
see you? You hide from everyone. You hide behind bad grades and money.
If I am perfect, they own me. My dad wants a trophy, not a son.
So you fail to punish him. But you are only punishing yourself, Asher.
You do not know how my family works. I control the failure. That is my power.
That isn't strength. It's fear. You're too afraid to actually try.
I am not scared of anything. You have no idea what pressure is.
I work 3 jobs just to be here. Do not talk to me about pressure, rich boy.
Okay, that was unfair. I am sorry.
Just look at the paper, Asher. If you want to rebel, fine. But playing dumb is boring. Do better. Do better.
Boring? You think I am boring? No one has ever called me that.
Then prove it. Solve question 10. Show me what you can actually do.
You are a nightmare, Parker. Fine. Watch and learn.
Carry the remainder. Divide by y. Final answer. 42.
That only took you 10 seconds.
Told you. Pure luck.
You are brilliant. Stop hiding it. You could do anything you want. I know it. Now, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Whatever you say.
We have 10 minutes left.
Take your time. I am not busy.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Just figuring you out, Parker. Anyway,
We should finish this.
sure. Whatever you want.
I will see you tomorrow, same time.
I will be here, Parker.
And Lucy? About that blog post.
What about it, Asher?
No one is going to bother you. I will make sure of it. You are terrifying.
Goodbye, Asher. What just happened in there? He is just a client. Focus, Lucy. He is doing it on purpose. He is actually smart. Really smart.
She actually yelled at me. That might be the most interesting thing that has happened all year. I could ace every exam here if I wanted to. But the moment I do, he wins. The Blake family dinner is tonight. More fake smiles. More pressure.
She called me a coward. Maybe she is right.
I am not letting her down. I am going to fix this.
You are actually on time today.
I told you I would be here, Parker.
I finished the assignment. All of it. Check the answers. I dare you.
Every single one is correct. You did this last night?
I told you I was not slow. I just needed the right motivation.
Motivation. Right. Well, you did good, Asher.
Less complaining, more reading. I promised to fix you, remember?
Then fix me, Parker. I am all yours.
Page 50, Asher.
Reading it right now.
Let us start with the American Revolution.
Sounds like a good place to start.
See you in English Daily Love.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and stay with the channel. More simple and emotional stories are coming, and we will learn English together through each other. See you in the next story.